Hello, this is Katie and this is an unboxing video. So this is the Relax and Craft subscription box from Relax and Craft, and this is the November 2023. Now, I have seen a few months ago, I got a little glimpse of what was going to be in this box, just because I know the lady that is the company of Relax and Craft, and I've kind of got an idea. When you kind of see things and you think, oh, I can't remember what's in there exactly, but I know being absolutely wowed. So this is what we've got for this month. So this is November 2023. So if you want more details about the Relax and Craft subscription box and how to get one, there are details just below my video here. So you get lots of inspiration. So hope you love the contents of this box. It was lovingly created by myself and enjoyed making beautiful jewellery, learning new skills and techniques. So when you join, you get the chance to join a Facebook group, which has got loads and loads of extra inspiration in it. Fleur does lives and all sorts of things in there. And then we've got the website, which we've got the members page. So if you sign up, you will be able to log into that members page, and you'll get all the tutorials for this month and all the tutorials for past months as well, which is an absolute bonus of a deal, really. So everything goes on the 12th of each month, but you need to sign up by the 10th of each month. And just so you know, a little sort of teaser for next month. Occasionally she has different designers, does Fleur, and she has there's been some absolutely fantastic designers, and next month it's me. So next month's box will be my designs that you'll be able to learn, and my inspiration. You don't have to do the exact same as me, but just give you some information. So that might entice you to get a subscription box. And don't worry if you did even just get it for 1 month, see what you feel. There's no sort of commitment to it. You can just sign up for 1 month, see what you get, have a look at the subscription deal, see about like previous tutorials, just have a really good look around and see what people have got each month. And then if you decide it's not for you, then it's not for you. You can cancel, no problem whatsoever. So every month you get the relax part. So you get your tea. You get different teas each month. This is at Calm Me English Tea Shop organic tea. So you get your cup of tea. You get your chocolate, which we all know I love my chocolate. So you can pop that to one side while you have a look, and then you can make your cup of tea, have a bit of chocolate and decide what you're going to do. Or you can do the tutorials that are on the website. It's up to you. So, and everything comes in these lovely little bags. So where should we start? Should we start big or small? I'm going to start with this one, so pick this up. So let's see what's in here. So literally every month it's like Christmas when you get to open these. Oh my gosh, stunning tubes. They've got a slight gentle facet on them. Blue lace agate. I hope this comes through on the camera. Those are, just imagine just drops of those in earrings. You also get the little spacer beads, which can come in useful. The spacer beads will be like an acrylic bead, but doesn't matter. We can just use them as spacer beads. But they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at, I hope you can see that. Look at all that banding that you get in beautiful blue lace agate. One of the most desired of the agates, I would say. Let's go for blue then this time. Let's have a look. So now I remember what this box is. We have got jump rings. So one of the things that my lovely friend Fleur that creates these boxes is famous for is making chainmail jewellery. So I would imagine this is going to be a chainmail box. Like I said, I have seen it a while ago, so I can't remember. She showed me lots of things. So while I was organising my box for December 2023. So we've got lots and lots of jump rings in there. And there'll be lots of designs that are specific. I can never say that word. Specific to chainmail, but who doesn't need jump rings when you're making jewellery? Everybody needs jump rings. It's what connects two things together. So even if you don't want to do the chainmail, you can definitely make use of those. Oh, I've lost a couple of escapees on this strand. That's absolutely fine though. That is beautiful. That also looks like an agate, like a white agate. Look at that. It's almost glowy. Hoping you can see that on the camera. It's almost actually glowing, and that with the blue lace, wowzers, that looks absolutely gorgeous. So we've got quite gemstone heavy. There's some weights to those gemstones. Let's see what we've got in here. Got some findings. So what happens is, well, you usually get everything that you need to make complete pieces of jewellery as well, because there's nothing worse than getting anything, whether you're buying a sort of a kit from somewhere or a subscription box, and then you think, oh, but then I've got to add something else. So Fleur does make sure you have everything you need to make at least the designs that she's made, if not lots more. So we've got 2 pairs of shepherd hooks, we've got 3 beautiful lobster clasps, and we've got amazing head pins. And I like that Fleur just tend to include the flat head pins, which I love that, because it gives that sort of illusion that the gemstone's just floating, because it kind of disappears at the bottom. So we've got jump rings, findings, we've got our beautiful blue lace agate. Oh, which one should we go? Let's go for this one. Let's go for this one. Oh, this is beryl. So beryl is a family name for the gemstone. So in here you've got your pinks, which will be your morganites, and then you've got your beautiful aquamarines. You also get goshenite, which is like the almost clear ones, and what's the other one? Heliodor, which is more yellow. I don't think there's any Heliodor in there, but yes, that's your beautiful. Look how beautiful a palette is that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's like your sort of almost like ice queen sort of thing, is thinking towards the winter. But also if you think, oh, I want that, but I don't want to make it now, and is it too sort of this time of year? No, it's perfect spring as well. And let's have a look in my last bag. What is in here? We have got some monofilament. So this is, I'll get it out. So monofilament is a beading thread that kind of disappears. It's like that invisible thread. It's so fine. Pull a little bit of it out at the side. It's really fine, so that your gemstones will sit on that, and you can kind of disguise it, hide it in your piece, so that, you know, it kind of, you can also do like floating pieces, like floating necklaces. Might do some of that actually. So monofilament is amazing. I use monofilament for lots of things, especially my crochet necklaces, so that is brilliant. And then we've got some wire. So now that feels like, is it 0.6 or 0.8? I think it's 0.6. Watch me be wrong. I will put the exact details, because I haven't looked at the list online yet. But we've got wire, so that's going to create our little rosary links and things like that in between. And maybe we're doing like little sections of chainmail. I can't wait to have a look at the tutorials. I purposely haven't looked until I've opened the box, because I like to actually get that experience of opening the box and not actually know exactly what is in there. Like I said, I did kind of see a few bits and pieces a few months ago, but I didn't know exactly what was going to be together. Wow, that is so much. I mean, just the weight of those gemstones alone is worth your £35, which is the price of the subscription. So it's £35 a month that you can cancel at any time. It's not a problem. You can just do it for 1 month. You can also go digital, which means you don't get the box, but you do get all the tutorials and all the inspiration, which is fantastic. I love that she always pops in all the findings, and one of the best bits for me, it's got to be the chocolate. I'm a bit of a chocolate fiend. So there we go. That is the box for November 2023. Don't forget that next month, December 2023, is my box. So it's a box that I've created with Fleur. It isn't too Christmassy, so don't worry that you're going to end up with Santa Clauses or anything like that. No, you're going to end up with some beautiful, and I really do mean stunning, beautiful pieces of jewellery, gemstones and other bits and pieces. I'm not going to say too much, but it's going to be really, really special next month. So I know there's not many places left on the next month's subscription, so if you did want to subscribe, make sure you click that link below this video and take a look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get lots of unboxing videos like this and lots of other videos. I know I haven't done as many recently because I've just had a little problem with my wrist, but I hope to be able to do a little bit more on my YouTube channel very, very soon. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again really soon.